Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I want to show you how to make one of my absolute favourite dishes. It's called Khao Soi. It's a curry noodle dish that comes from the north of Thailand. It's probably not the most well known among Thai food, but it's a really beautiful dish to make. Not just in terms of how it tastes, but also how it looks as well. And best of all, it's super easy to make. So if you want to change it up a bit from your usual pad thai or tom yum soup, come and follow me. Okay, so there's actually quite a few bits and pieces that go into this dish, so I've prepped most of the ingredients in advance. So here we have 200 ml chicken stock, 400 ml coconut milk, 150 ml of coconut cream, the juice from 2 limes, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 4 tablespoons curry paste, 2 teaspoons mild curry powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 500 grams diced chicken, and around 300 grams of dried egg noodles. And to garnish at the end, we've got some bean sprouts, chopped spring onion, chopped coriander, some sliced red onion, lime wedges, some fried shallots you can find at any Asian supermarket, and also some of this chili oil, which you can also find at any Asian supermarket. And just as a side note, I really love this stuff. It goes well with literally anything. You can just add it to like a bowl of plain white rice and it makes a really quick dinner. Plus there's also one secret garnish at the end, which I'll show you at the end. Okay, so first what we're going to do is heat some oil in a pan, and then add all the curry paste. Make sure the heat's on a medium and just cook that for about 5 minutes. Okay, so that's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. It's smelling absolutely incredible. At this stage we'll add the chili flakes and the curry powder. So give it a little mix and cook that for like another minute. Okay, now we're going to add all those liquids we saw at the start. So let's go and add the stock. The coconut milk, coconut cream, fish sauce, and lastly the lime juice. So give that a little stir, and as you can imagine it smells really nice now. That really sort of creamy curry aroma is coming out, and just bring it to a simmer. Okay, the curry's simmering quite nicely now, so I'm going to add the chicken. Just be careful not to splash it. So just add all that chicken into the curry. Oh, it smells so amazing. You have to be here. Right, so make sure it's all submerged, and I just can't get over how good that smells. Sorry about that. It's just wow. Yeah, so cook that for like 15 minutes until the chicken's tender. And while it's doing that, I'm just gonna cook those egg noodles just off camera. It's a pretty short process, so there's not much to it. Okay, so the curry's done now, so I've just put that to the side to rest. The noodles also done. So now I'm going to show you that last secret garnish I mentioned at the start. And what that involves is, well, first you want to heat some oil in a pan, make sure it's really hot, and just grab a few strands of those cooked egg noodles and sort of spread them around, being careful, lay them out on the pan. Make sure it's nice and wide, and I'm just going to like fry that until it's quite crispy, and that goes on the top of the noodles at the end. It actually doesn't add a lot of taste or anything much really to the dish, but it just looks really cool, so that's why we're doing it. So that's what it should look like at the end. Nice crispy noodles. I've just put them on some paper towels to dry off, and I think we're ready to serve now. Okay, now here's the fun part. So what I've done is I've put some of the noodles in a bowl, poured some of the curry on top with making sure there's lots of chicken as well. And then we're just going to go through all the garnishing and just add them one by one in whatever order you want. So I think I'll start with some red onion, and then some bean sprouts. Ooh. Coriander, make sure you get plenty in there. Spring onions. Fried shallots. And I think I'll add my crispy noodles now, so just lay that gently on top. And it's a cheeky little wedge of lime. And lastly, the chili oil. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Okay, so I'm ready to give this a try now. Give a little squeeze of lime there. A little mix. I don't even know where to start with this, so excuse me if it gets a bit messy. Alright, here we go. Whew. Wow. I mean, I could go on all day about this, but like words can't describe it literally. I'm sorry. So you're just gonna have to cook it yourself and see for yourself. Just beautiful. It really is a fantastic dish. There's just so many contrasts at play here. You know, the soft noodles and the crispy noodles, the creamy curry, along with the the heat from the chili. You can taste the lime in there as well, and the coriander and onion adds an extra element as well. It's just, there's so much going on. Every bit of it's beautiful. And so that's it for today. Khao Soi curry noodles from the north of Thailand. Give it a go. It's a lot easier to make than it looks, but it's just a really beautiful Instagram worthy dish, which I'm sure you enjoy. That's it for today. See you later.